In this video, the date is the 6th of June in 2019 at 3:52 p.m. I am on board an exhibition shuttle passing Bowen Hills Station while recording the route from Bowen Hills to exhibition, as well as the EMU units stored in Normanby Yard before the yard was ripped up and turned into a tunnel. I know this video is quite short and you will find it in your heart to forgive me, but thank you so much for watching and I will see you all next time for an actual video, I promise.